On this crosswalk? Yeah? Yeah. All right. Let's do it one more time. What is going on YouTube? I've got another behind the scenes natural light photo shoot for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys the photos straight out of camera. I want you guys to see how the shoot goes, how everything comes out, the different compositions that you can create just by walking around the cities of Dallas, Texas. So if this is your first time joining, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Let's get it. Let's go. There you go. Look to the side. I think it does look better in black and white. Come on, let's walk. Let's do the same thing using this wall. Same thing walking this way. All right, hold on one sec. Let me make sure my histogram is good. All right, I think we are good. All right, let's go. Perfect, yep, come on back. Well, let me ask you this. Where's the office? You said 5 minutes?
It's literally right. It's straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll just walk, and then as we see stuff, ideas, we can just like play around with it? Yeah?
I'm excited. Oh, there goes the rain.
It is raining. Here, you want this?
Yeah. Thank you. I really just need to put it over my head so my
Yeah. So I'm thinking in order to capture the architecture, I need to be shooting from low and kind of up. Let me see. I feel like these people are honking at you. Yes. I love that. Because I know you guys are gonna ask me in the comments what settings I'm using. So I decided to shoot this entire shoot with aperture priority. I set my aperture as low as I could. With the 24-105, it was f4. And then I set my shutter speed and my ISO, obviously we're gonna be on auto, but I set my shutter speed minimum to be 1/60th of a second. I didn't want it to go below 1/60th of a second because then, you know, some of the photos come out blurry. And actually, in a few minutes, you guys are gonna see how when she was walking, some of the shots are still gonna be blurry because right the shutter speed has to be much lower. It has to be at 1/60th. And I was shooting at, you know, like 105-ish. But yeah, those are my settings. The shutter speed and ISO are gonna kind of do their own thing, but my aperture is right at f4. So I want to make sure we capture the architecture, and then I'll do some from a little further away. Step this way just a little bit, right there. Oh, a little bit right there. All right, turn directly towards me. And maybe do like a hips out one way. Yeah, on the jacket, or maybe on where the tie is. That's good. Can you look to your left instead? Yep. Never mind. I like the right better. Yeah, I like the right better. That's good. Okay. It's cold. If I'm cold, I know you're freezing. Perfect. These pictures was like, we finna be in here too. There you go. Give me some movement. That is good. All right, come on. What is that Main Street alley? That little,
Oh, yeah, it just leads to like where the eyeball is.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope you don't mind get walking. I would love this. So walk down, like walk, let's do some walking towards me. Again? And I'll get you walking back that way too. Oh yeah, walk and look back towards me. All right, come on. One more time. Do you like the black and white?
I do.
Okay. Let's go catch that light right there.
At the end?
Let's put out the shadows, yeah. So same thing, I'm gonna get, so you can like stand kind of like right there, and then I'll get you like
take a few steps like towards me and then go back. We'll do it a few times. Just want to see what it looks like, okay? Actually, this looks fantastic. Yeah, actually just pose right there for me. That's good. Turn face this way, towards the sun. Turn your chest towards me. Actually, stand right here, like right where this line is. I want your feet right there, where this line is. Yeah. And then I'll let you freestyle for just a little bit. I like that. So this angle works. Maybe we can just kind of work that. So I kind of gotta like I have to get in close like that. You like that? And then you can just kind of do stuff, play around with it, get some motion. Okay. Look that way. Look that way. Stand like right where this line is right here. Yeah, I want to see something. All right, just pose for me, kind of like freestyle. Stand right here. Right there. Everybody's chasing us away. Why is everybody in a parking garage? What is happening?